Tired of boring music lessons? Wish learning an instrument could be more fun? Get ready to turn learning into a musical adventure with our delightful and engaging arrangement of the classic folk song, Shoo, Fly. Whether you're a seasoned reader or just starting out, we've got you covered. Learn your way with traditional notation, easy to follow color-coded notes, and simple alpha note notation. Each version comes with easy-to-read tablature, making playing your favorite tune effortless. Want to master the basics? Our beginner-friendly chord diagrams make learning new chords a breeze, so you can strum along in no time. And to make sure you nail the melody and tempo like a pro, we've included a helpful MP3 audio guide. Don't wait. Download now and make learning Shoo, Fly, a musical journey you'll never forget with this easy and fun guitar arrangement.